So this is Envo Energy. We're out on location today over at Patrick Properties. They've got a fantastic couple of buildings over in Altrincham. They've decided to have our solar panels put in. We're pleased to have Paul Rogers, the asset manager for Patrick Properties, with us. Paul, it's really nice to see you and thank you for inviting us down.
That's okay. That's okay. You're very welcome, and see what we're doing here in Altrincham.
I'll tell you what, it looks fabulous, and for those of you who don't know outside, solar panels now are becoming very, very popular. Just tell us why you decided to go along the solar route.
Well, firstly, energy is just going up in price massively, so energy reduction of costs, but the carbon reduction is probably the one that is at the forefront, and I believe we're going to save massive amounts of carbon emission, which will help in our quest to be environmental friendly with lots of other things that we're doing. So hopefully that's the route we're going to go, and we'll wait to see the end result when we're all wired up.
So we've got two buildings being done, and collectively I think the carbon emission is going to reduce by around about 40,000 kilograms, I believe, which is a tremendous amount. You must be pleased with that.
Absolutely, and I think we're one of the first in this, certainly in this area, that are going to be doing this sort of improvements. So I think there'll be a lot of people who'll be looking at us and as the shining light and leading the way.
Now listen, there are lots of people out there that are doing solar, but why did you choose Envo Energy as your partner?
Well, they put a very good proposal forward against other people that we'd looked at, and hence we went with what we thought was the best choice.
And so far, how's it gone? Because it looks fantastic. I can just see it over there behind your shoulder there. It looks great.
Well, in fairness, we were a little bit nervous at the beginning, maybe concerned about disruption to the offices here, but there's been absolutely none. It's a silent install, virtually. 3 guys putting things together, very cooperative. Deliveries of the kit, some of the kit you see has not been done in the working week. It's been done on Saturdays. Least disruption, so no, we're really pleased. We've had no complaints from our tenants. In fact, tenants are very interested to know what we're doing because it helps them with their environmental audits as well. So it's win-win, really good.
And another win, of course, is that you're going to reduce your energy bills by a considerable amount. I believe around about 25% is going to be the saving off your total energy bills. I mean, that's a massive bonus as well.
Well, it's a significant cost, energy, across these 2 buildings, so 25% is going to be huge, and obviously it keeps a very good and quite a low payback period, which is again a big plus for us.
Yeah, I mean, people will be misunderstood if they thought that this was going to be an expensive installation. Although it's not, it's not a couple of £100. This will pay for itself in just over 3 years, won't it?
Yes, and we looked at solar several years ago. Costs were absolutely prohibitive, really. Now it's a sensible cost, and a 3-year payback is very positive for us.
Well, listen, we're gagging to have a little look around, so do you mind showing us around?
Please, come
on. Right, we'll follow you.
Off we go. So you can see that's where we're at. We've had a good look around. That building's nearly finished. This building is pretty close, and we look forward now to the results, or to the end of the project, and then the results that follow through.
Well, listen, thank you so much for showing us around. We really appreciate your time, and thanks for choosing Envo Energy.
Absolutely no problem. Have a good day.